Are you ready to master your interactions with ChatGPT to ensure you benefit fully and use all its functionalities? If yes, then this informative video and accompanying PPT is the perfect resource for you. Download and discover the revolutionary ChatGPT technology. Moreover, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Use this PPT slide to communicate the overview and key features, such as mission, research focus, collaboration, the role of open source, and other ideas that bring ChatGPT to life. To ensure everyone understands how we arrived at ChatGPT, use this slide to showcase the history and the evolution of OpenAI. The aim is to paint the big picture for your audience, 2016 onwards to its founding till 2023. With this PPT template to showcase the people who founded and funded ChatGPT, such as Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Use this PPT slide to deliver the types of ChatGPT beginning from GPT-1 to GPT-3. Ready to explore the forefront of AI technology? Click below to download our ChatGPT Overview PPT deck and see what it can do for you. Develop intimate familiarity with concepts such as the overview of OpenAI, benefits of using this technology, and many more. Use this PPT slide to guide the audience through a hands-on journey and get them started with ChatGPT. From logging into the first prompt, it's all here. Summarize and share the benefits of ChatGPT. Better data analysis, versatility, high accuracy, scalability are some of the many advantages of this amazing tool. Download this PPT bundle to help your audience integrate ChatGPT into their lives.